Hello everybody, this is Ken, back with another accessory video from a new company that reached out to me, and I found one particular product very interesting and I wanted to put it on my channel because it'll help me, and it's dealing with sunshades for the roof that's all glass. This is called the Magshade roof sunshade for Tesla Model 3. They do have Y as well. It says magnet. So me as a YouTuber, and I'm doing full self-driving videos, I have to take my old sunshades down because they have clips in there. Now I can just take it down, fold it up, put it back up there just with a magnet. And the next accessory is just a fold shade, and it's like an umbrella. It's really cool. It's very quick. You can put it up and block in the sun basically. Carry pouch, which I like that. And it probably should look the same as any other sunshade. Yeah, it's almost like a butterfly. See that? Let me see if I can. Probably won't be able to see me. Then you do this. Just like that. You put the magnets on one time, leave them up there. If you need to take your sunshade down, you can do that. Oh, this is cool. I'll let you know what this is for as well. These are the magnets, how that looks. And then that's the back side of it right there. And that's that magnet. In the front, 4 up there, which is 2 on the sides and then 2 going this way. And then the back, you only need 3. It's 1 in the middle and then 2 to the side like that. Okay? But these are really nice. These are a whole lot better. Wow. These magnets, they're really good. Always make sure that the magnet part is showing down. Oh, it's in there very snug. I like that. So I have a second one. I'll just make sure that the magnet right here is going to be facing down, and I'll just use that pry tool here. I have them all up now. I have one right here. Like I said, the front should be 4. Put it in center as much as you can. Got one over here, right here, and to the side. It shows you where you can pull it. So this will be facing me. So whenever I want to remove it, I just pull on it, okay? Simple process. Don't really have to deal with clips, losing clips, because those clips that they provide will stay in your car forever. So when the winter time comes, guess what? Take them down, leave the clips in, and be done with it. Now, just to show you the fold shade, show you how easy this is, and it's almost like an umbrella. It's really cool. Nice box. Take this out here. It's got instructions. It's pretty simple. It's just treat it like an umbrella, okay? But it is custom fit for the dashboard. And let's just take this out. But this is like suede or Alcantara type feel. Let's take it out. Okay. So you got the handle part right here, and it just wraps around just like that. Probably won't be able to show you, but I probably will show you some B-roll from Otrifowd so you can get a better sense of it. Very cool products, love them, especially the Magshades. Links are in the description below for you, and you will get a discount on these products. This is Ken. See you in the next video.